Properties of the image, often we use some terminology. Those terminology is center of curvature and radius of curvature, pole, principal axis, focus and focal length. So what are the terminology? Center of curvature and radius of curvature, pole and principal axis, focus, it is also called focal point, and last one is focal length. Now we have to study about this point to point. So first one, center of curvature. What is the center of curvature? So according to geometry, law of geometry, suppose we have to draw any line from the surface, the line is normal to the surface. So these lines are intersect at a particular point. So where the lines intersect, that point is called center of sphere. Here, that center of sphere. So here the center of sphere also called center of curvature, because the curvature which are taken from the whole sphere. So that's why this is the center of curvature. If you line, suppose we have taken this is curvature. So curve like this. If you draw, this is the center C. So if you draw any line from the mirror, so which are always normal to the mirror, so which are intersect at a particular point, where the lines are intersect, that point is called center of curvature. That point is called center of curvature. And again here, so pole is there. What is the pole P? Pole. This is pole. What is the pole? Here, this point is pole. What is the pole? If you draw any point, any line from the mirror, so that point is goes from a center of curvature. So if any line passing through the geometrical center of the mirror, this is the geometrical center of the mirror. So the line goes to the geometrical center of the mirror. The geometrical center of this mirror is called pole. Geometrical center of this curvature is called, mirror is called what? Pole. So pole is there and center of curvature is there. Next, radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is what? Here holosphere is there. The distance from the center to the surface, that is called radius of sphere. Here the spherical mirrors, the radius of curvature which are taken from the holosphere, that's why this radius also called radius of curvature. This is the radius of curvature. This is small curvature, this is high curvature. Less, this curvature is more, radius is less. Curvature is more, less curvature. So less curvature having the more radius. So this is the radius of curvature. And so this is the radius of curvature. The distance between the pole and center of curvature is also called radius of curvature. Right. So next we study about principal axis. What is the principal axis? The line joining or any line passing through the center of curvature and pole. That line is called principal axis. So line passing through the center of curvature and pole, that line is called principal axis. Okay. So line passing through the center of curvature and pole, that line is called principal axis. Here another point is there. It is important. Focus. What is the focus? Here we saw this diagram, this figure. If lines are from infinity distance, light rays are come from infinity distance. That light rays, if light rays come from infinity distance, that rays are considered as parallel rays. Thus rays are called as considered as parallel rays. If parallel rays are after incidence, it is going like this. These parallel lines are after reflection, they are intersect on the principal axis. They are intersect at a principal axis. That point is called focus. That point is called what? Focus. So these parallel rays after reflection, they are intersect at a principal axis, they are intersect on the principal axis. That point is called focus. Here, after intersect, they are all rays are intersect. That's why here some brightness is occur. Some brightness is occur. That's why this point is called focus or focal point. Okay, focus or focus point. Are you get my point? Okay. Next, focal length. What is the focal length? So this is the focus. This is the focus, and this is the focal. The distance in between focus and point, that is called focal length. That is called focal length. So this is the focal length. The focal length is nothing but the distance between the focus and pole. Focus and pole. So here, radius of current, the focal length, the focus is always above the radius of curvature. Above the radius of curvature. That is called R is equal to F.